Any business you can imagine about, you can also take it online, and it means the possibility of how much you can make is endless. Every business today, they started from somewhere and they are on the internet. The most important thing in online business is you having an idea that you can scale up along the line. Companies like Samsung started out as a company that were exporting dried fish and noodles, but as we all know, Samsung is now known for their smartphone gadgets, their TV sets, and other things that they are into. You can run your online business directly from wherever you are, be it your sitting room, your bedroom, or even your garage. The idea is for you to start small, and then as you go further, you grow big. But if you don't get to start, you will not know how big you are going to grow. Hi everyone, my name is Enemona, Onyeke, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Here I share video on how to make money online, and also on the streets I interview people to know what they do and how you can learn from them. So make sure to stick around by subscribing to the channel. This particular video is a continuation of my previous video. You can check somewhere here or around here. The video is why you should consider starting an online business. I'll be sharing 3 reasons with you. So our first reason why you should consider starting an online business is because online business require little or no capital. But before we dive into that, I want to give you a brief background of what an online business is. In a layman word, online business, as we all know, anything online, it means it's over the internet. So online business basically is any business you do over the internet. It could be anything that you think of. Just imagine it. Any business you can imagine about, you can also take it online, and it means the possibility of how much you can make is endless. Every business today, they started from somewhere and they are on the internet. Back to our number 1 reason, which is little or no capital. When it comes to running an online business, like traditional businesses, startup capital could become burdensome because a lot of people, considering the economy of the world and our country in particular, don't have huge amount of money to start their business, regardless of the idea behind the business. But in online business, you don't really need huge capital. Your idea is enough. Just start, and along the line, you can scale yourself. The most important thing in online business is you having an idea that you can scale up along the line. Just whatever you have at the moment, you can start from there. You don't have to bother yourself with salary of your employees. You don't have to bother yourself with office space. You don't have to bother yourself with transportation expenses, because you can run your online business directly from wherever you are, be it your sitting room, your bedroom, or even your garage. Companies like Samsung, they started out as a company that were exporting dried fish and noodles way back in 1938. But as we all know, Samsung is a brand that is now known for their smartphone gadgets, their TV sets, and all other things that they are into at the moment. Other companies like Amazon, they started like an online bookstore, but then Amazon is an e-commerce giant all over the world, and also they are doing a lot of things in the world of cloud computing. And not to forget YouTube, largest video sharing platform and the second largest search engine, second to Google. They started way back in 2005 as an online dating platform, and here they are. Start small, and then as you go further, you grow big. But if you don't get to start, you will not know how big you are going to grow. So like I said, you can start from wherever you are. Your online business can just start from you putting your knowledge together on whatever thing you know, putting it online where people can buy, and then you have started something. Secondly, online business offers freedom. The freedom I'm talking about here is freedom of time, of location, and most importantly, financial freedom. Exploring online business offers you unparalleled freedom, allowing you to break free from geographical constraints. This way, you are able to work with international companies from whichever part of the world you are. as long as you are connected to the internet. You escape traditional employment schedules. You are not tied down to the system of 9 to 5 job. You are able to work on your own schedule, either working 1 to 2 hours daily or whichever you fit is best for you. Therefore, you work only when you are more productive. If you are more productive during the day, you work only during the day. If you are more productive during the night, you work only during the night. And if you are more productive over the weekend, you work only over the weekend. Therefore, allowing you time to do other things that are of interest to you. You now have the opportunity to pursue your passion and dreams. Enjoy more time with your family, become your own boss. You now experience increased productivity. Passive income. I personally like online business for this particular reason, and it is the fact that it offers passive income opportunity. What is passive income? Passive income in this case is money made without direct or being actively involved in the business processes. If you ask me, this is the ideal way to increase your finance if you really want to become wealthy, because you cannot always be there all time. You can run an online business on the side while you still focus on your career, allowing you the opportunity to have multiple stream of income. This way, you are able to run your business with minimal maintenance cost, having the opportunity to reach a larger global audience, automate the business process, and the potential for you to make sales 247. In this particular video, we consider the 3 reasons why you should start an online business. If you are still on the fence or you are still in doubt, because all the things you've heard about online business is that it is scam or it doesn't work, I want you to have a change of mind. And then I have videos somewhere around the corner here. Just make sure to check around for the video on the online business that will guarantee you income. Thank you for staying with me, and see you in my next video.